What happens when American muscle meets cutting-edge engineering? When heritage styling fuses with modern tech. You get the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, an unapologetic, track-ready, street-legal beast built to dominate. In today's in-depth review, we're taking a full-throttle look at this sleek black monster to see if it's more than just a pretty face with a loud exhaust. Is it the ultimate evolution of the sixth-generation Camaro? Or has it gone too far in trying to modernize an icon? From the aggressive exterior design to the finely tuned performance and that raw V8 powerplant under the hood, we're breaking it all down. So buckle up, because this isn't your average car review. This is a ride into the soul of an American legend, reborn, reworked, and ready to rumble. Let's dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Exterior. The first thing that grabs you is the Camaro Z28 silhouette, low, wide, and menacing. Finished in a deep obsidian black, the paint job is as stealthy as it is stunning. Under sunlight, the metallic flakes within the paint glisten subtly, hinting at the raw energy hidden beneath the surface. It's elegant in its aggression, like a panther ready to pounce. The front fascia is completely redesigned for 2026. Gone is the standard Camaro grille, in its place is a larger, more functional intake system with a honeycomb mesh pattern that improves cooling and aerodynamics. Flanking that aggressive grille are razor-thin LED headlights with a piercing white beam. The DRLs form a distinctive Z pattern, paying homage to the Z28 heritage and making this car unmistakable at night. Lower down, you'll find a pronounced carbon fiber splitter, designed not just for aesthetics but for downforce. And yes, it's real carbon fiber, lightweight and brutally strong. Around the side, the Camaro's sculpted profile remains muscular with prominent haunches over the rear wheels. New for 2026 are the forged aluminum 20-inch wheels, finished in matte graphite with a Y-spoke design. They look phenomenal against the black body and are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. These are track grade, offering immense grip for both the road and circuit. Subtle Z28 badging sits just behind the front wheel arch, tastefully done in brushed aluminum, and there's a bold vent cut into the hood, again, functional, aiding with heat extraction from that monstrous V8. Around back, the story continues. A huge carbon fiber rear wing dominates the tail, adjustable for track or street setups. The quad exhaust outlets are integrated neatly into the rear diffuser, producing an exhaust note that's as brutal as it is beautiful. The LED taillights retain that signature Camaro look but now with a smoky tint and sequential turn indicators. In total, the 2026 Camaro Z28 isn't just a refresh, it's a redesign with function and form working hand in hand. It looks fast, mean, and expensive. And in black, it's just pure muscle car menace. Interior. Slide into the cabin and the first impression is, tight, focused, and unapologetically driver-centric. This isn't a luxury GT cruiser, it's a performance cockpit through and through. But Chevy has dialed up the refinement and technology for 2026 in all the right ways. Let's start with the seats. Deeply bolstered Recaro sport buckets wrapped in a combination of Alcantara and perforated leather hold you firmly in place during high-speed cornering. They're manually adjustable to save weight, yet still comfortable enough for a spirited Sunday drive or even daily use. Z28 logos are embossed in the headrests, a small but satisfying detail. In front of the driver is a flat-bottomed steering wheel wrapped in suede with red center stitching. It feels great in your hands, thick and grippy, with paddle shifters mounted behind, though purists will be glad to know a proper 6-speed manual is still available. And yes, this model. It's the manual. More on that in a bit. The dashboard features a minimalist layout with a new 12.3-inch fully digital driver display. It's customizable, displaying everything from performance metrics and G-forces to a shift light and track telemetry. At the center, a new 11.1-inch infotainment screen is angled toward the driver, running GM's latest UI. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in track day performance tracking. Beneath that are real aluminum toggle switches, tactile, clicky, and satisfying. Climate control is handled through rotary vents, just like in previous models, but with a more upscale finish. The center console is clean, with a traditional shifter in the manual version and a red anodized engine start button. The interior materials are a step up: soft-touch plastics, contrast stitching, and real carbon fiber trim along the dash and door sills. It's still not luxury car plush, but it feels focused and premium in a purpose-built kind of way. Rear seats. Technically yes, but you won't be using them much. Think of them more as a parcel shelf. This car is for you and maybe one brave passenger. In terms of sound insulation, Chevy's gone for a balance. You hear the engine, the road, the mechanical click of the gearbox, but wind and tire noise are kept in check. It's loud, but never overwhelming. It's raw, but never crude. It's exactly what you want in a Z28. Performance. And now, the heart of the matter: performance. The 2026 Camaro Z28 is not just a looker, it's a full-fledged performance monster engineered to tear up tracks and turn roads into racetracks. Under the hood, you'll find a naturally aspirated 6.8-liter LT7 V8 engine, an evolution of GM's LT series, tuned specifically for the Z28. It churns out a staggering 580 horsepower and 540 lb-ft of torque. Redline: 7,000 RPM. And it loves to live up there. The power delivery is instant, smooth, and absolutely addictive. The throttle response is razor sharp, and in the manual configuration, each gear shift is a celebration of mechanical harmony. That 6-speed Tremec manual is perfectly matched to the engine: short throws, tight gates, and a clutch that's heavy but not punishing. 0 to 60. Just 3.4 seconds. Top speed: 186 miles per hour. But the real magic happens on the twisty stuff. The Z28 comes standard with GM's latest magnetic ride control 5.0. It reads the road and adjusts damping 1,000 times per second. The result? A car that stays flat, composed, and glued, whether you're attacking a track or carving through backroads. Braking is equally impressive. The Z28 is fitted with massive carbon ceramic brakes, 16.1 inches up front, 14.6 in the rear, clamped by 6-piston Brembo calipers. Fade-resistant, responsive, and confidence-inspiring even after multiple hot laps. Weight savings are everywhere. Rear seat delete option? Check. Thinner rear glass? Check. Lightweight suspension components and even hollow sway bars? Yep. Total curb weight sits just under 3,800 pounds, not featherweight, but lean for what this car is packing. Chevy also updated the traction control and stability systems for 2026, allowing more adjustability without interfering when you don't want them to. In track mode, the car dances, slides, and responds to your inputs like a well-trained athlete. Sound-wise? It's feral. The naturally aspirated V8 bellows with an old-school American rumble at idle, rising to a spine-tingling howl as you climb the revs. No artificial noise piped through the speakers. What you hear is what the car produces, through its active exhaust system that opens up gloriously in sport and track modes. Prices. So how much does all this performance, design, and drama cost? The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 starts at $76,995, a significant step up from the SS, but well below the price of many European sports coupes that can't match its raw capability. And when you consider what's included, the carbon fiber aero package, Recaro seats, Brembo carbon ceramics, and that hand-built V8, it starts to feel like a performance bargain. Add a few key options like the track package with telemetry logging, upgraded forged wheels, and the suede interior trim, and you're looking at around $82,000 to $85,000 out the door. Still, for what you get, this is an incredible value. A Porsche Cayman GT4 will run you north of $100,000 with less power. A BMW M4 CSL is more money and arguably less raw. Even more impressively, Chevy is offering limited production, only 3,000 units for the first model year, making this not just a thrilling drive, but potentially a future collectible. Maintenance costs won't be cheap, performance tires, brakes, and that big V8 all come with higher upkeep, but it's far more affordable than exotic imports in the same performance tier. And with Chevrolet's reputation for durability and service network, owning one won't be a nightmare. For those who want a Z28 but don't need all the hardcore track bits, a touring trim with slightly softer suspension and more street-friendly tires will be available later in the year at a lower price point. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Camaro Z28? It's loud, it's brash, it's beautiful, and it delivers performance that punches way above its price tag. In a world where many sports cars are going hybrid or electric, the Z28 remains gloriously analog. A high-revving naturally aspirated V8. A manual gearbox. Rear-wheel drive. And a chassis that's been honed to near perfection. It's not for everyone, the ride is firm, the interior is tight, and it demands your attention on every drive. But if you're the kind of driver who wants to feel every corner, hear every rev, and control every gear, this might just be the ultimate modern American muscle car. In black, it's sinister. On the road, it's dominant. And in the right hands, it's lethal. Thanks for riding with us today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Camaro Z28, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more full-length car reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you take this over a GT500, M4, or even a Corvette? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay fast, stay sharp, and as always, keep driving.